I'm riding the Himalayan after a couple of weeks, and it just started on the first crank itself. I think it's always nice to follow your passions, to follow your dreams, but in a measured dose of realism. Because at the end of the day, you need to pay your bills, you need to survive. So I'm riding to this tiny eatery which is in the Marathalli Whitefield belt. This is a request that I received from the establishment, who wrote to us about difficulties that they were facing. Swad and swad. I always say great food is found in the most unexpected of places, and this certainly seems to be the case of something like that. नमस्ते। हाँ, ये मिर्ची है मथानिया का।
हाँ, ये राजस्थान से लाया, अभी इतना ही बचा है, अभी और मंगाएंगे।
अच्छा।
सर ये बनाऊंगा मैं बकरा गोट बना रहे हो आप। Hi folks, it's another Sunday here in Bengaluru and we are out for a ride, a city ride this time on the Himalayan. Had a very late night last evening, so decided to sleep in a bit, and therefore we are riding a bit late, very late actually. It's noon, it's 12:15, and we are riding in the direction of Whitefield, so that's the plan. So it's going to be a 40-50 kilometer ride overall. I'm riding the Himalayan after a couple of weeks, and it just started on the first crank itself. I think it's a very underrated motorcycle, the Himalayan. The weather is beautiful, some cloud cover, so although it's noon, there is no sun, there's no heat at all. So today I'm not using my helmet mount for the GoPro, I'm using the Chesty. You may have already watched my review on the GoPro Chesty that basically connects your GoPro camera to the chest region. I find it rather handy when I want to ride with an open helmet. The field of view is limited, there's only that much that you can do, but it gets the job done. So most of the shots that you will see today is straight up. I can manage to turn this much on this side and this much on this side. I've got the GoPro on super view, so which means it's the widest possible setting. So you will also see a bit of spherical distortion on the side. And I'm shooting in 2.7K at 60 frames per second. I think I got a question on that some time ago. When I'm motorcycling, when I'm out of the motorcycle, I'm shooting at 2.7K at 60 frames per second. I'm shooting using the Super View lens. When I'm not motorcycling, I still like to shoot at 2.7K because then I can zoom in if I need to when we are editing the videos. But I change the lens to either linear or wide. So for those not familiar with GoPro, you have lenses that you can select. Well, it's a setting within the camera, so there's no external lens. So narrow is the least field of view. Then you have linear. So linear is great when you're vlogging, and then you have wide and super view, which is wider than wide. So right now the camera is on super view at 60 frames per second.
So I'm riding to this tiny eatery which is in the Marathalli Whitefield belt. It's a place called Kagadaspura, and this is a request that I received from the establishment, who wrote to us about difficulties that they were facing. So I got this message on Instagram from the son of the owners. So there's a couple behind this eatery, and so apparently they used to run a mess or student meal sort of a place for about 8 years, and after COVID their business has just crashed to zero. And so to manage things, they've opened a tiny eatery with only one table and 4 chairs, I'm told, to serve the food of Rajasthan, home style food of Rajasthan. So I found that interesting. So they do both vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian dishes. So I'm on my way to this eatery to find out more, to ascertain for myself, and also pick up some food in takeaway mode. And if we think the food is great, and if we like what we see there, we'll perhaps return to shoot an episode on this eatery. And of course, if the episode is already aired by the time you watch this vlog, you will find links to that right here and also in the description below. So that's the plan for this city ride this Sunday. Get the motorcycle out and also get a little bit of work going. Well, that is if you can call my work. So a lot of people ask me if this is what I do full time. And yes, this is what I do full time. And you see me eating, traveling, motorcycling. But there's a lot of work that happens behind the scenes. You'll see some of it in these episodes that we air through the Kripalamana channel vlogs. So there's a fair bit of work. But the one aspect that I really count myself to be very fortunate in is that I'm able to call my passion work. To be honest, I don't know the last time I took off from work, because I don't really find the need to. To me, what I do in life is pursue my passions, food, some motorcycling, interacting with people, and that I channel into these videos, which is work. So I think I've been fortunate in that sense to be able to pursue my passions in a meaningful, feasible sort of manner. And the great thing, especially in the last 1 year, as we've discovered, is that we are also able to help so many people along the way. I think it's always nice to follow your passions, to follow your dreams, but in a measured dose of realism. Because at the end of the day, you need to pay your bills, you need to survive, and you can't do that perhaps on passion alone, at least initially, for those starting out. So you need to have something that keeps you going, keeps the bills going, whilst you also pursue your passion. This eatery is about 20 kilometers away from home. I think I've done about 9 or 10 kilometers already. 10 kilometers to go and only about 17 minutes. So that's the thing when you're on the motorcycle. You can get from point A to point B a lot faster. In the car, it'll take you 50% more time. I hope my voice is audible. So what I figured is that this chest mount with the mic that's attached to my collar works great with the open helmet. You know, I see quite a few motorcyclists ride without the mirrors. I really don't know why. There's another scooter that's going without the mirrors. I think the mirror is such an important safety feature when you're in any vehicle, and I think more so when you're on the motorcycle. Because in a car, even though you may, let's say, have a mirror, you may not look at it once in a while. And let's say you change lanes or turn, even if you go into the path of something or something comes into you, although that's highly undesirable, you should always look in the mirror. At least there's some protection that the car offers you, that the vehicle offers you. When you're on a motorcycle or a two-wheeler of any sort, you are basically completely exposed. So if you turn left or right without looking at your mirror, you could be in some serious harm's way. So always have your mirrors and positioned rightly so you can see plenty of what's around you. So whenever you deviate, change your lane, turn, look at the mirror first. Give it a few seconds and then turn. Change lanes, whatever you need to do. Such a beautiful morning to be out on the city ride. I'm also wearing my summer jacket. So this is a lighter jacket than the other jacket that I wear. I've also received requests to do a vlog on my riding gear. Perhaps someday I will. Some scooterists out for a Sunday ride, rented vehicles, rented scooters, two-wheelers. I think it's a great way to start. Rent a motorcycle or a scooter, see if that's what you really want to do. So I got back to motorcycling 5 years ago after a very long break, when I picked up my first motorcycle, the Harley, the Iron 883. Although I knew my heart was in it, I didn't know if I could physically do it. So what I did was borrow a friend's motorcycle. That was a Bullet, a Royal Enfield 350. I borrowed that motorcycle and I rode it for about 3 or 4 months. I rode my heart out on that motorcycle. With every ride that I would do, I couldn't wait for the next ride. And also physically I was able to handle it. So that's when I knew I could invest in a motorcycle. So the good thing today is you can rent motorcycles. I think pretty much any motorcycle that you want, be it a Royal Enfield or even Harleys. I think the smaller Harleys are easily rentable. So you can rent motorcycles, ride it a few times and then figure out if that's something that you want to do. Also, it's a low cost way of getting into it. And many a times people buy motorcycles, buy fancy motorcycles just because they want to. Their heart is in it, but then having the heart for it and being able to do it from a practical perspective, given how busy people are, or just finding the time to do it, family commitments, work pressures, etc. is a different thing altogether. And so when you buy a motorcycle and you don't ride it too much, and then eventually you realize, especially with the larger motorcycles, that it's a pain to maintain it if you're not riding it. You need to keep the batteries charged, you need to keep the motorcycles clean, you need to make sure everything is running. And so some people decide to sell it, and then when you sell it, you get a big haircut on the price. That's sad. Have I reached where I need to be? I think it's the next left. Muni Reddy Layout Extension, that's where I am. I've discovered so many of these micro neighborhoods as part of my food explorations. It's quite amazing. 5 minutes more. So one of the reasons why I also like to check out, especially the smaller places, personally, before I decide to do something with it, is there's not too much research available. So you can't really speak to too many people and find out about the food, etc.
And when I, shoot an episode, when I place an episode on the channel, I have a certain responsibility to our viewers, and therefore I like to ascertain the place for myself. Now, not every place or the food in every place will not be to everybody's taste, but that's all right. Everybody has a different palate, everybody has a different choice in terms of what they like to eat, what they don't like to eat. You may like the dal at your home, you may not like the dal too much at someone else's home, but that's all right. But that someone else in that some other home will probably think that's the best dal. When I'm researching places, I'm looking for places that do great food, that do good food, where there's soul in the food, where they're particular about how they cook, etc. It may not suit everybody, but that's all right. The sun is beating on us now. I'm going through these narrow lanes and by-lanes and crossing a railway crossing in the middle of all that. The one thing with the Himalayan is I approach speed breakers with gay abandon because I know my motorcycle is not going to scrape. It has a 21-inch front wheel. I think it's got a 210 mm road clearance as opposed to my Fat Boy, which is only 120. I think we've arrived. Swad and Swad. I always say great food is found in the most unexpected of places, and this certainly seems to be the case of something like that. Swad and Swad Rajasthani takeaway point. 20 kilometers in 47 minutes. If I was doing this in the car, I would probably take at least an hour and 15 minutes, if not more. नमस्ते हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। पार्सल ले जाना है तो क्या मिलेगा?
लाल मांस बन रहा है।
लाल मांस बन रहा है, देख सकते हैं।
आइए सर आइए।
आप मथानिया चिली यूज़ करते हैं उसमें?
हाँ जी।
हाँ, ये मिर्ची है मथानिया का।
हाँ, ये राजस्थान से लाया, अभी इतना ही बचा है, अभी और मंगाएंगे।
अच्छा,
ये तीखा नहीं होता, इसमें जलन नहीं होती पेट में।
जलन नहीं होता है, करेक्ट।
हाँ, ये ठंडा रहता है, थोड़ा
ठंडा रहता है।
सर ये अब बनाऊंगा बकरा
गोट बना रहे हो आप, तो कि इसको टाइम लगेगा?
20-45 मिनट के अंदर अच्छे से खुले में थोड़ा पकाएंगे तो 45 मिनट लगेगा।
अच्छा,
क्यों आज संडे था ना, तो वहाँ थोड़ा भीड़ था तो टाइम लग गया उसको।
हाँ ओके,
बन जाएगा।
और आपकी मतलब उसके अलावा वेज नॉन वेज में और भी कोई इच्छा हो तो बताइए।
हाँ, क्या है?
सेव टमाटर है, बेसन गट्टा है।
सेव टमाटर में क्या कैसे होता है वो?
सर वो नमकीन बड़ी मोटी
ये
वाली।
दिखाओ राजस्थान।
ये भी राजस्थान से आती है।
वो मसाला नहीं खाते।
कोई स्पाइसी बोलते हैं उनको ये बनाते हैं,
हाँ,
नॉर्मल बोलते हैं उसको ये बनाते हैं।
हाँ, टमाटर की ग्रेवी बनाते हैं। लहसुन अदरक वो सब भी रहता है।
हाँ।
और उसकी ग्रेवी बना के थोड़ा, और फिर वो उसको बॉईल करने के बाद फिर ये डाल के।
ठीक है, सेव टमाटर देना है।
और गट्टे मालूम है आपको?
गट्टे पता है, बेसन के गट्टे।
हाँ
हाँ वो भी है।
मैंने कल ही बेसन के गट्टे खाए थे। तो मेरे को लाल मांस देना, 2 पोर्शन देना। और क्या मिलेगा? चिकन में क्या है?
थोड़ी चिकन, वो भी जैसे लाल मांस में जो ग्रेवी होती है,
हाँ,
सेम वही ग्रेवी होती है। और वो मटन की जगह वो चिकन आ जाता है उसमें।
अच्छा,
वो भी स्पाइसी जैसा होता है।
कुछ और अलग?
और ये मलाई चिकन।
मलाई चिकन।
मलाई
हाँ, मलाई में क्या है?
मलाई
काजू
चिकन
डालती हूँ।
विद काजू बादाम,
हाँ,
मिल्क
के अंदर ही पकता है वो।
मिल्क के अंदर
पहले
ही पकता
उसको मैरिनेट करके रखती हूँ कर्ड के अंदर।
हाँ, वो रेडी है क्या?
नहीं करूँगी, उसको करना पड़ेगा अभी।
कितना टाइम लगेगा सब?
उसको 30 मिनट में हो जाएगा, 30 मिनट में।
ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ से कितने बजे निकल पाऊंगा मैं?
सर हमको ध्यान नहीं था, बाकी मैं सब प्रिपेयर करके रखता।
नहीं, मैं तो ऐसे ही आ गया।
हाँ, मेरे बेटे ने बोला सर आएंगे आज,
लेकिन हम तो अभी पता नहीं कब आएंगे,
पता नहीं है।
नहीं, मैं तो ऐसे ही देखने आया, मैं तो कलेक्ट करने आया थोड़ा
जी
बहुत
जी,
खाना।
बहुत अच्छा है, आप आए, हमको बहुत खूब अच्छा लग रहा है।
तो मैं आज थोड़ा टेस्ट करके फिर वापस आऊंगा मैं,
हाँ जरूर जरूर।
हमारे कैमरामैन के साथ। आपको पता है मेरा प्रोग्राम के बारे में?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मुझे कुछ भी
अच्छा,
नहीं
ठीक
आइडिया।
है,
हम
वो
हम क्या
आपके-
सीधे साधे लोग हैं।
आपके बेटे ने
घर में
हमसे
कर रहे हैं।
कांटेक्ट किया था।
जी जी जी, तभी मैंने उसको भी फोन किया। मैंने कहा भैया मैं कह रहा था वो सर आए हैं बाहर।
हम तो
क्या
नॉर्मल
आराम
काम
है?
करते हैं सर,
हाँ,
दोनों जने। कोई सर्वेंट नहीं, कोई नहीं,
आप ही करते हो?
हम दोनों ही करते हैं।
इससे पहले हम एग्जीबिशन में करते थे। अभी कोरोना के बाद में हमने ये होटल खोली, 3 महीना हुआ था।
अच्छा,
पहले हम बना के सप्लाई देते थे, अमेजोन के ऑफिस में देते थे, 24/7 में देते थे, चित्रकला परिषद में देते थे,
वो जो
पैलेस ग्राउंड में देते थे सप्लाई।
जो एग्जीबिशन लगते हैं ना, सेल लगते हैं।
हाँ, तो वहाँ पे बनाते थे आप
हाँ, नहीं बना के तो घर से ही ले जाते
और
थे।
ले वहाँ पे बेचते थे?
हाँ, बेचते थे।
तो अभी कैसा चल रहा है?
ठीक है।
कोरोना काल ये सब चल रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा चल रहा है।
अभी देखो कि संडे है तो अभी तक तो कोई आया नहीं।
बच्चा अभी जॉब करता है, वो जॉब अभी
वो अमेजोन में है।
जी जी, वो अभी छुट्टी। मैंने बोला हाफ डे आधे घंटे के लिए आ जाए, क्या मैं आ रहा हूँ। हाँ सर आएंगे।
आपके मसाले
हाँ जी,
क्या क्या है? सब बड़ी इलायची है?
हाँ, बड़ी इलायची छोटी इलायची दोनों लेंगे इसमें।
अच्छा,
सब साबुत मसाले हैं।
सिनेमन, जीरा लिया आपने,
हाँ, जीरा।
स्टार अनीस, बड़ी इलायची, छोटी इलायची और पत्ता,
हाँ,
लौंग।
हाँ।
मटन कीमा गुर्दा वो अभी नहीं है सर, वो लाना पड़ेगा मेरे को।
अच्छा, हाँ,
मलाई चिकन विद काजू एंड मलाई सेमी ग्रेवी।
तो ये मैंने अभी ऑर्डर किया।
जी हाँ, हो गया।
हाँ।
एक हरा भरा मुर्ग राठौड़ी चिकन अभी रेडी है हमारे पास।
राठौड़ी रेडी है ऑलरेडी?
हाँ, और तंदूरी चिकन टंगड़ी भी रेडी हो जाएगी। ये जी सर, ये वाली चीज सेम डिटो, ये हमने घर पे ही बनाया सर।
हाँ।
और घर पे ही बना के फोटो
तो मेरे को 2 पोर्शन वो भी देना।
ये
हाँ, तंदूरी चिकन रेडी है?
हाँ है ना, लेग पीस वगैरह है रेडी। हाँ, उसको
3 पोर्शन देना।
टंगड़ी 3 कर दो सर, लाल मार्च 2।
हाँ, मलाई चिकन भी कितने पीस आते हैं मलाई चिकन में?
5 से 6 पीस आते हैं।
तो मेरे को 2 पोर्शन देना मलाई चिकन, तो 2 पोर्शन मेरे को लाल मांस देना।
बनाते हैं मक्का की रोटी। मक्का की रोटी प्लेट में रख के उसके ऊपर ये लाल मार्च डालिए, फिर आप खाओ, बहुत आनंद आएगा।
हाँ ठीक है, तो मेरे को मक्के की रोटी देना।
पीठ की रोटी बनाते हैं हम, गेहूं का तवा रोटी, फुल्का रोटी।
आशीर्वाद का आटा यूज करते हैं।
एक सेव टमाटर बोलता आपने।
एक सेकंड।
सर आपके आशीर्वाद से मेरे पिताजी 15 साल से गांव में मुखिया हैं।
तो आप लोग राजपूत है?
जी हाँ,
क्षत्रिय?
क्षत्रिय। पूरे राजस्थान में जो ड्रिंक बेचते थे पहले,
हाँ।
आज भी बेचते हैं।
हाँ।
ठेकेदार बोलते हैं,
ठेकेदार, हाँ।
हमारे दादा परदादा सब।
हाँ, अच्छा। तो आपके अभी भी फैमिली वहाँ पे है?
हाँ, मेरे भाई हैं।
अच्छा।
हमारे बेटा आ गया।
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing fine. I told you I'll visit, take a look
Sure, definitely.
at what's happening. I've ordered some dishes that I will take away. And then on the basis of this, if I feel we can do something, tomorrow itself I'll return with my cinematographer
Okay, okay.
and we'll shoot an episode. So when we shoot an episode, the place really gets a lot of response. So will you guys be able to handle it?
Yes, we will, we will.
Huh?
We will.
And we do everything on a pro bono basis. I don't do this commercially. That's the reason why I'm very particular about places that I pick, because I want to be convinced about the story that they're trying to tell.
I've seen sir. In fact, I would like to share this experience with you. So, with your noon biryani, that episode, one of the customers, saw that video, and the comment section somebody had mentioned our store in there.
Yeah?
So that customer contacted me, hey Karthik, you are getting pretty famous, and I saw your phone number and name in the comment section of this noon's biryani episode. So you should call this guy, and definitely he's going to help you. Okay, let me give it a try. You never know,
That's all
things
you
might
want to
turn. Yes, exactly.
ये क्या मीट के लिए बन रहा है?
हाँ हाँ, वो लाल मांस के लिए, ये मलाई चिकन की ग्रेवी के लिए।
अच्छा, काजू बादाम, तो रिच ग्रेवी होता है इसका।
हाँ
नाम से ही पता लगता है मलाई चिकन।
हाँ।
So I placed my order for a takeaway here at Swad and Swad. It's really tiny, mom and pop sort of an operation. And even as I place my order, the lady is cooking the food from scratch. But it's going to take some time, so I think I'm going to be here for the next 30 odd minutes while she's cooking my order. So this is not going to be a review video, but the idea behind this video was just to combine this moto vlog with something that I would do. I think places like these have soul. I think places like these have honesty. I found the couple to be quite warm, quite endearing. And I'm hoping the food too is as warm, as comforting.
Sir, you might want to capture that malai chicken.
So आपके वो ड्राई फ्रूट्स वगैरह?
हाँ, ये ड्राई फ्रूट्स का बन रहा है। ड्राई फ्रूट्स, लहसुन, अदरक।
So you're also part of the kitchen team.
Yes, I had to. I had to. Just following my hobby here and there.
और जितेंद्र साहब आप मार्केटिंग
मार्केटिंग प्लस सर्विसिंग।
कस्टमर सर्विस।
जी जी। सर हमारा अधिकतर मटन इसमें बनता है।
अच्छा इसमें बनता है।
इसको बोलते हैं सफरी।
क्या बोलते हैं?
सफरी सुपरी सुपरी।
सुपरी तो क्या
ये पूरा एल्यूमिनियम का सर।
ये राजस्थान से मंगाया है।
ये राजस्थान से मंगाया सर।
तो कल इसमें बनाओगे आप?
जी हाँ।
गूगल पे है ये वाला?
जी हाँ जी हाँ।
जितेंद्र कुमार
जी।
1435।
हमारा बिल बुक में फर्स्ट बिल ही आपके नाम पे हुआ है।
अच्छा।
एक नंबर बिल आपका जाएगा।
एक नंबर पे।
हाँ आज ही ओपन किया सर।
Thank you. Just waiting for the last couple of dishes to emerge from the kitchen. Thank you very much.
One of the bag.
Oh, one of the bags. There's one more.
I'll help you.
Yeah. Thank you. नहीं कोई बात नहीं। बोलते हैं ना सबर का फल मीठा होता है, तो यहाँ मीठा नहीं शायद तीखा होगा थोड़ा बहुत। अच्छा लड्डू डाले आपने?
चूरमे के लड्डू। चूरमा लड्डू।
चूरमा लड्डू, हाँ दाल बाटी चूरमे के लड्डू, हाँ।
इसमें आ जाएगा। Still better.
So I finally got my parcel at Swad and Swad. It took them nearly an hour and a half from the time I reached there. It's a small enterprise. They were cooking everything from scratch. They got delayed at the market apparently getting the ingredients, but nonetheless we've got our food and I'm on my way home now. Thankfully the weather is holding up. It's still nice and pleasant. So I think it should be an easy breeze of a ride, 30 minutes back home. So if the food's good and if we decide to shoot an episode here, you will obviously find it in the description below and also in the link above. And perhaps I may also include a tiny snippet of the tasting here too. So that's it folks for this motor vlog, the city ride combined with a bit of food research, if I can use that term. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Take care. Have a great week ahead. If you like this video, do subscribe, share, forward to your friends, family, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Oh, that roti is garma garam. I think it's just come off the sigdi, but that's definitely the sort of bread that you need to eat some of that saved tomato. So वो जंगली मांस
हो गया।
and lal mas is bubbling away and I can't wait to taste that lal mas. That piece of meat that I just placed in my mouth is a sort that doesn't need teeth. It's a sort of meat that just melts away.
सर मैं कोई भी चीज ये मुझे नहीं बोलती, मैं बिना पूछे ले आता हूँ आलू प्याज लहसुन।
लेके आने का तो
कभी
वही
भी नहीं
करता
बोला कि आज लहसुन लेके आना।
अच्छा आपको पता रहता है?
मुझे पता रहता है।
आप सोचते हो हाँ लहसुन नहीं है, इनको पता लग गया लहसुन चाहिए अभी। माइंड कनेक्शन है।
जी
अभी सारा काम हम ही कर रहे हैं,
इसीलिए खाने में थोड़ा प्यार है।
प्यार से बनाते तो प्यार है। कोई भी चीज आप दिल से नहीं बनाओगे तो फिर वो उसमें टेस्ट नहीं आएगा, कितना ही मसाला डाल दो। दिल से बनेगा तो अपने आप टेस्ट आ जाएगा।